Welcome to Brain Booster. Did you know that vultures are divided into two groups that aren't so related? Yes, you heard it right. Vultures, the scavengers of the world, are found on every continent except for Antarctica and Australia. There are 23 species of these fascinating birds, divided into two distinct groups: New World vultures that inhabit North and South America, and Old World vultures found in Africa, Asia, and Europe. Despite their similarities, these groups are not closely related. Their resemblances are a result of convergent evolution, a phenomenon where unrelated species develop similar traits due to similar environments or ecological roles. A key difference between the two groups is their method of finding food. Old World vultures rely on their sight, while many New World vultures have an impressive sense of smell, capable of detecting carrion from up to 2 kilometers away. Stay tuned to learn more about these fascinating creatures. Ever wondered how these Old World and New World vultures differ from each other? Well, the answer lies in their senses. Old World vultures found in Africa, Asia, and Europe primarily rely on their incredible sight to locate food. They keenly observe and follow other animals such as eagles, crows, wolves, and even other vultures. Spotting these creatures gathering in large numbers is a surefire sign of a nearby meal. On the other hand, many New World vultures native to North and South America boast an unusual trait for birds: an excellent sense of smell. They can detect the scent of dead animals from up to 2 kilometers away. This olfactory prowess allows them to locate food efficiently, even in vast landscapes. These differences in sensory abilities, along with their geographical distribution across the globe, make each group unique in their scavenging strategies. Vultures are truly remarkable, aren't they? Did you know not all vultures are bald, and each species has a unique feeding pattern? Vultures are indeed fascinating creatures. Some species, like the turkey vulture and the king vulture, don't have feathers on their heads. This might seem odd, but it actually serves a practical purpose. These vultures tend to poke their heads deep into a carcass to pick out the scrumptious parts. A bald head ensures their feathers don't get dirty, preventing bacteria and other parasites from hitching a ride. Plus, it helps them stay cool in the heat of the day, regulating their temperature, both handy adaptations for a carrion eater. On the other hand, there are vultures that paint their feathers. The bearded vulture and the Egyptian vulture, when they reach adulthood, bathe in mud pools. This gives their white feathers on their face and chest an orange-brown hue. But the reason for this spa-like behavior is still a mystery, with several speculations. When it comes to finding food, vultures have developed intriguing strategies. Old World vultures, for instance, follow other animals to locate their next meal. With their keen eyesight, they watch for other vultures or carrion-eating birds descending upon a carcass and swoop in to join the feast. They also track carnivorous mammals like foxes and wolves, waiting for the hunters to finish their meal before diving in to clean up the leftovers. These scavengers indeed have a unique way of surviving, don't they? Vultures are not just scavengers. They hold a significant place in many cultures. They are often seen as symbols of purification and transformation. In ancient Egypt, the vulture was revered as a symbol of motherhood and protection, while in Greece, it was linked to the goddess Athena, representing wisdom and strategic warfare. In Native American cultures, vultures are regarded as cleansers of the earth, removing the dead and making way for new life. They are seen as messengers from the spirit world, providing a bridge between life and death. In Tibetan Buddhist tradition, sky burials involve leaving the deceased on mountaintops for vultures to consume, returning the body to nature in a cycle of life and death. Here, the vulture is seen as a compassionate helper, aiding in the transition from one life to the next. But these fascinating creatures are not just significant in a cultural context. A recent study revealed a surprising complexity in griffon vultures' vocalizations. It showed that these vultures have a wider range of calls than previously thought, comparable to that of parrots, which are known for their complex vocal communications. This complexity in their language seems to be linked to their social evolutionary history, suggesting that vultures have intricate social interactions. So, next time you see a vulture, remember they are not just scavengers, but fascinating creatures with a rich cultural significance and complex social interactions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow.